What happens to your open property insurance claim when you sell your property? If you are working on a commercial building and you sell your property to a buyer, what happens to that claim? Does anybody know? Chris is the man. He's got some answers. Welcome to the podcast, Chris. What say you?
Well, I'm just hanging out here in the Bat Cave doing some research, and
Yeah,
we've come across this on the residential and the commercial side, and
right.
so um, it can affect the sale. We'll put it that way, because that buyer is like, well, what a second, you've got an open claim. What's going on here? I want to
Yeah,
make sure that everything's going to be brought up, where everything's going to be paid out, and so there's a lot more moving parts. But to answer your question, we know how to do it. This is what we do. And so we can help simplify it for you as the seller of the building
yeah,
or the buyer of the building. We can kind of be your consultant slash public adjuster and kind of walk you through these steps because it
right.
can be a little confusing at first. So,
We have worked with both sides, the listing agent and the seller, or the buyer's agent, transaction broker, and the buyer. We've worked with both sides, helping them navigate the process of, hey, how do we take this building into possession as the buyer without ruining this $300,000 insurance claim that's owed to us and part of the purchase contract? There's so many different
mm,
moving parts, like Chris said, like so many different things. I've actually literally saved a deal during the COVID era that the buyer was like, I'm not so sure. And we were able to, within 72 days, take this insurance claim from like $12,000 to over $300,000. Right.
wow.